Fire in the hole!
Despite our best efforts, we have a mole problem. And these are a few of the ways we've tried to address getting rid of these pesky creatures. One of the mole traps we did try is this Victor out of sight mole trap. And believe it or not, the first time we tried it, it worked fantastic. We caught a mole, and then it never caught another one in 30 more tries. And it's a little dangerous, but if you're careful, it's okay. And here's a picture of it. You can see the mole will go in here, and then it will trip this up. And those jaws clamp on it. So you have to be careful putting it in the hole, and we just didn't like it. We felt it was a little unsafe. So now we're trying something new. Today we're trying something brand new, the Giant Destroyer, the Super Gasser, as it's called. And it's supposed to kill all kinds of moles, gophers, woodchucks. It is made in the USA. So we want to try it out. The way it works is you light a little fuse, you throw it in the hole that they've made in the tunnels, and it smokes them out, and the sulfur in there kills them. So let's give it a try. Okay, let's see what's inside the package. First thing, there's 4 fuses, and there's 4 of these Giant Destroyers, of which you're supposed to take the fuse, which is about 4 inches long. You stick it in the hole. You want 2 inches sticking out, and that's how long it takes to burn. So now we're going to go, you light it, and you put it in the hole, this end first, to promote the smoke down into the hole. So, let's go smoke some moles. Okay, here's our backyard, and you can see there's a bunch of troughs leading to a big bump. So now my wife is going to dig a hole.
Oh, that's loose.
Okay, just get the sand out. Okay, here's the hole. In there, you can see that hole. I'll try putting that thing in there, Jenny. Okay. Okay. Now it's time to light it and throw it in there. Okay, what we found is this is a junction spot with 3 holes going different places. So we don't want to like put it in and block the other holes with dirt, which is the normal way. What we're going to do is put it in and then put a bucket on top like this to sort of plug it up. So here we go. Now you film me. Fire in the hole. Smoking? Oh yeah.
I want to try and contain that smoke.
Film around, get down low, film around. I'm trying to plug the holes where I see smoke coming out. So there we have it. The bomb that hopefully we'll get 3 different. Why is there smoke in here? Uh-oh. Did we get a hole in the bucket? Oh crap. That's not good. I guess we shouldn't have put the bucket the other way. Ay, ay, ay. We're going to learn from our mistakes in the last hole. This hole when we put this in, we're going to cover it with brick. Add some extra dirt. So hopefully that'll do it. Here we go. Fire in the hole. Let's hope that one does better than the last one. Of course, that's one of the negative things of this. You can't tell if it worked. You can't tell if you got a mole. You just have to hope. Let's go do another. Here's a track right beside my cement. Okay, it's right there. It's right here. Here we go. Fire in the hole. That's got it. Okay. So there's three planted. Hopefully it'll get them, but we don't know. Here's a fresh mound. My wife's digging right now. Right there. Point it that way.
We found it.
Okay. You have to put the fuse in.
One into the hole.
Okay, put it in the hole. Okay, brick and dirt. Okay. More dirt. That's pretty good. Here we go. All four of them set. What do you have to say, Jenny?
Fire in the hole.
Well, only one thing died in the filming of this video. And that's our bucket. What can I say? We melted the bucket. Live and learn.